Boston Dynamics gave a demonstration of how their Atlas robot's hydraulic version was tested. The compilation consists of both new and old film, including sequences when Atlas dances while holding a suspension strut. Atlas autonomously picks up, raises, carries, and positions objects of different sizes, shapes, and weights in any scenario. A wooden stool, an air compressor, a vehicle muffler, and a kettlebell are seen among them. Atlas can easily hold a kettlebell with one hand, but he needs both hands for larger objects, like the muffler or anything that looks like a vehicle wheel. For more than 10 years, Boston Dynamics has been working on the experimental humanoid robot Atlas using hydraulic actuators. However, the business declared in April 2024 that the second generation of Atlas robot, which would be driven by electric motors, will take the place of the hydraulic version of the robot. The business claims that the electric Atlas will have a range of motions greater than that of humans and will be stronger, more nimble, and more maneuverable than the hydraulic version. Now let's discuss some more robot news. Suk-Shin Chung, an American engineer, has unveiled a novel motion translation and telepresence device that provides visual feedback. With the use of this device, the operator may see the robot's surroundings stereoscopically, just as if they were inside the robot itself. It mirrors the operator's hand and finger movements on the robot, creating a fully immersive experience and the sensation of transferring consciousness into a robotic body. The television system was tested on 4 long-term and precise tasks: can sorting, can insertion, folding, and unloading. These tasks were performed by 2 different humanoid robots and successfully deployed in the real world. One of the key features of the system is its ability to perform tasks autonomously, with high precision and success. This system is open for use by developers, allowing for the expansion of its functionality and application in various fields, requiring precise and interactive robot control. Molecular biologist and science popularizer from Yemen, Hashim Al-Ghaili, has proposed a concept of a non-physical prison called Cognify. Cognify is a revolutionary prison system concept that utilizes artificial intelligence and brain implants to reduce the rehabilitation time for criminals from several years to just a few minutes. The introduction of fictional memories of crimes into prisoners' minds is an innovative method of reforming the criminal justice system. It allows inmates to realize their wrongdoings from the perspective of their victims. The idea is to create memories in a person's mind of serving a prison sentence in full detail, with all the heavy emotional moments, so that they truly feel the weight of the punishment as if it actually happened. Hashim Al-Ghaili suggests using virtual reality and specialized AI to create personalized content for each convict. However, this content would be delivered not through conventional headsets, but directly into the brain. Simultaneously, there would be interventions in the DNA and RNA, targeting the memory-forming areas to ensure that the artificial memories are firmly embedded in the individual system. As a result, the person receives false memories, a painful experience of being imprisoned that feels entirely real to them. This process doesn't require years of confinement. It takes much less time, which could help alleviate overcrowded prisons. This way, a corrective effect is created, and the burden on the penitentiary system is reduced. The Chinese company UBTech Robotics has decided to once again showcase the old version of its humanoid robot, Walker X, which is marketed as a robot for home. Perhaps the company has plans for this model, given that it chose to remind the world about this particular version. Walker X can navigate around obstacles, pick up objects, and interact with people using voice. The construction of Walker X mimics the human body with arms, legs, and a head, all driven by 41 servo motors. The robot's hands also resemble human hands and consist of 5 fingers. The robot can squeeze them, grasp objects, and even perform tasks that are quite challenging for robots, such as unscrewing a bottle cap. Walker X can autonomously move in familiar and new environments using the standard simultaneous localization and mapping algorithm. For navigation, the robot uses depth cameras located in its head, chest, and abdomen. These cameras help the robot detect and navigate around obstacles, as well as move away from people and other moving objects when they come too close. The maximum walking speed is 3 kilometers per hour. Float therapy in sensory deprivation chambers, or float tanks, is a relaxation method that is gaining popularity for its potential mental health benefits. These chambers are enclosed spaces, filled with water that has a high concentration of Epsom salts, allowing a person to float effortlessly and experience a sensation akin to weightlessness. The water's density supports the body on the surface, creating a gravity-free environment. The primary goal of float therapy is to minimize external sensory stimuli such as light and sound, thereby creating a state of complete sensory deprivation. This helps achieve deep relaxation and tranquility, allowing the body and mind to disconnect from external stimuli and stress. It can also improve sleep quality by helping individuals relax and enhance sleep structure. Many people find that float therapy sessions lead to significant improvements in mood and overall well-being. Yifeng Automation Technology has begun testing prototypes of robots for automatic car parking. Despite their relatively high cost of $150,000, the developer claims that there are already interested parties in major cities. The Getter robot lifts the car from underneath and using lasers can park it much more precisely than a human. Two cars can be parked almost touching each other, allowing for 40% less space to be used for the same number of cars. It takes the robot 2 minutes to retrieve the car for its owner. The platform can move in almost any possible direction. It can slide forward, backward, sideways, diagonally, and can even rotate. When parking a car, the automatic braking system ensures that the robot does not collide with anything. However, these robots have limitations, and one of them is the inability to handle uneven surfaces. The platform can accommodate a maximum height variation of less than 6 millimeters. Tokyo Robotics, a Japanese startup, has unveiled a series of striking movies showcasing the capabilities of their humanoid robot, Torobo. The Torobo robot drives a nail in one video to show off its capacity to accurately manage force and interact with things. The robot is shown in a different movie carrying a 25 kilograms bag, demonstrating its power and ability to carry out strenuous physical work. Torobo is demonstrated sawing wood in another video, highlighting its aptitude for jobs requiring both strength and accuracy. These demos highlight how Torobo may be used to automate a variety of manufacturing and industrial processes that are now completed by people. Thanks to its sophisticated control systems, the robot can perform intricate tasks and interact with its surroundings in a safe and effective manner. The world of next-generation humanoid robots and groundbreaking inventions is nothing short of incredible. These advancements are pushing the boundaries of technology and reshaping our future in ways we never imagined. From sophisticated robots that mimic human behavior to innovative inventions that promise to revolutionize our daily lives, the future is brimming with possibilities. If you found these developments as awe-inspiring as we did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated with all the latest and most exciting advancements in technology. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and be part of the future with us.